like to invite you to try our drawing and painting lessons, where I teach kids how to do beautiful artwork by combining simple shapes. Each project is about 20 to 30 minutes, and I tell interesting facts about the subject that we're drawing. And at the end, there is a memory game. It's fun, it's creative, and kids love it. Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria, and today I'll be drawing a cute gingerbread cookie. Please grab your marker and let's start. So I'm gonna draw the holiday hat first. Something like this, and then from here we're drawing like an arch. That's good. Beautiful. Now from here, let's draw the hat. Now let's add the body. Good. Now let's draw the eyes. So I'm gonna draw 2 circles. And I'm gonna color black, but just leave a little bit of white. There we go. And of course we want to add like a nice big smile. Oh, that's cute. Now we can add like a few decor pieces, like bow tie, and maybe a few buttons here. That's good. I also can add like a nice candy cane. That's good. And that part is done. So the next thing, you can put your marker aside and grab red, and let's color the hat. Nice. Now, from there, grab green. Now, grab pink. Gonna add the cheeks. Now, grab brown. I'm going to use very light brown, but you can use the shade you want. Maybe it's darker or lighter, you decide. When the head is done, now let's go back to red. And you can color the buttons red. You can also add nice. Now we can continue with our gingerbread cookie. Put the part on the side and grab red again. Let's color the candy cane. So what I'm doing is like I'm coloring some areas red, and then I'm gonna leave like white, then I'm coloring red, and then the next spot is gonna be white. And that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for doing it with me, and please subscribe to our channel so we can do more beautiful artwork together. Thank you.